Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 65, Sequence. So this video presents another very interesting puzzle for you, and here we go. We'll see how you go with it. It'll test your lateral thinking skills. Consider the following sequence of numbers. So there's the sequence here, and we have an unknown number here. The question is, what is the next number after 42 in the sequence? So a hint will be given on the next slide, but please don't go there yet. I'd really like you to challenge yourself and to try and solve this. So in 2 minutes I will go to the next slide and I'll give you the first hint. So please be patient. Okay, let me go to the next slide now and give you a hint. Hopefully this will help you. That's if you need it. Here it is. So I've repeated the set of numbers here so you don't have to go back to the other slide. And the hint is, write down the difference between each number in the sequence. So the difference from there to there, the difference from there to there, the difference from there to there, etc. Now that might help you, but if it doesn't, I've got a final hint on the next slide. So please be patient. I'll go to the next slide in 1 minute. Okay, now I'll give you the final hint in case you need it, but you might not. You could have already solved it. So here is the final hint before I give you the answer. Another hint. Now that you have written down the difference between each number, what types of numbers are these? If you can work out what types of numbers they are, you'll be able to solve it. I'll give you the answer on the next slide in exactly 1 minute. So please try and solve it if you already haven't. I think you will solve it with this final hint. Okay, let's go to the next slide and provide the answer. I wonder how you went. The answer is 23. The difference between each number is a prime. So see these differences that you wrote? If you look at each of them, they're the list of prime numbers. So the next prime number after 17 is 19. So that will be the difference between those two. So that number is 23, because from 23 to 42 is 19. That's the difference. So the answer is 23. I wonder how you went with that. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide. And here it is.